Welcome to Sarah Kids. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Time to close your sleepy eyes. Teddy's ready, Bunny too. All your friends say night-night you. Pajamas on, slippers tight. Brush your teeth, make them bright. Wash your hands and scrub your face. Then jump into your cozy space. Blocks and cars now say goodbye. Dolls wave softly, don't you cry. Lego towers take a rest. Even toys need sleep like best. Your train chugs slow along the track. Wheels go click and then go back. The stuffed bear climbs the little hill. Snuggling close, all is still. To magic castles in your room. Glow with the moonlight's gentle plume. Dragons yawn and fairies sleep. Tiny dreams for you to keep. Puzzle pieces cuddle tight. Crayons sleep through the night. Books close softly, pages rest. Tomorrow brings another quest. Your toy robot waves goodnight. Spaceship lands with stars so bright. Dinosaurs and beds of sand, dreaming of a magic land. Is it music, instruments take a pause. No more claps, no more applause. Xylophones and drums go still. Silent now, the night is chill. Hugs from Teddy's goodnight tide. Moon whispers softly, sleep tonight. Close your eyes, drift off my dear. Adventure awaits when morning's near.
Thank you for watching our channel, Sarah Kids. Please like, share, and subscribe.